What do you say, Raffy? What do you say, Raffy? Yeah. So today, for dinner, Rafi, who's not even 10 months old, had pasta with sauteed mushrooms and spinach, some peas and carrots, some veggie chicken nuggets, and some Munster cheese. And he's looking for the good stuff. Here's some mushrooms, babykins. And did I mention they're like garlicky and sauteed with olive oil? And he loved them. Oh, trying to pick one up right now. Not easy. Oh. You like that?